My fucking good tape measure's at home. I'm gonna have to fucking put some tack welds on that thing before I cut.
That's probably a good idea.
Fucking measure this fucking thing. What the hell's going on with this tape measure? It's driving me fucking crazy. I'm gonna call it 60 fucking 7.
And I'm gonna ask you what the problem is right now.
No.
What happened?
No.
What's wrong?
No. No. Too much welding going on here lately, and we have no gas. And I need to finish this car by Sunday, and tomorrow's a holiday. So we need to go drive around and try to find some bottles of fucking gas. I keep 3 of these things in stock.
Three gas tanks here in stock at all times. All 3 are
bone dry.
bone dry.
And that's because this car and the Jeep, lots of metal.
It's because all these other damn cars.
Yeah, this one with the quarter panels, and then the Jeep with the floor. Look at the floor I made for the Jeep. Yes, this is actually a Jeep, by the way. So yeah, we got all new floor in there.
Yeah, that could probably use up some gas, huh?
All we've been doing is for the past 3 weeks is welding. Making panels and welding panels.
Hey man, that's all right. We get to go on an adventure.
Yeah, I'd rather be welding an adventure than trying to find gas. None of them have a seal on it. See, I'd rather not have to do this and put it on the 2020 welding supply bill. We'll put it on the 2021 bill. But that's if they're open.
Well, I guess it's time to go see if we can fill these bad boys up.
If they're open.
Happy New Year.
Yeah. Fuck.
All right, we finally got some gas. Just
Got a gas bottle.
took a little extra time.
No.
But we got gas on New Year's Day. They were open. One place was closed. One place was open. We had to spend a little bit of money.
Well, I get to return it on Monday, hopefully for free.
How much was the tank in gas?
Oh gosh, it was $350. Because I had to buy the tank outright instead of putting a deposit on it so that he could just put a charge on my credit card and then just go back and refund it on Monday when I bring the tank back. And then I'll just pay for the gas and get to use the bottle for free for the weekend, hopefully.
All because the other company was closed.
Well, they closed at noon. I should have just known that, you know.
Yeah, but
Whatever.
well, we got it now.
Yeah, so now I can finish shoring this thing up and then figuring out what the F we're gonna do next.
not sponsored by Chipotle. We just fucking love it. Okay, let's go. Yeah, I'm hungry.
Put a tack on each side. Yep, it's galvanized.
So Pete's building a structure so he can cut his frame rails and the rear end doesn't crunch all together.
Well, the back hasn't fallen down, so I mean, it's just this part here wants to twist because there's all this weight hanging out on the front here. So I gotta cut this, but I think it'll be okay with it the way it is. As long as we take some measurements before, you know, it might move side to side, but we could true it up before we tack it all together, so it doesn't really matter at this point. As long as the quarter glass doesn't break from it flexing, we should be all good. So I'm not gonna worry about it for now. As long as we don't lean on the back of the car. I just gotta see that if I take the jack off the back, if this frame rail will pinch itself back together. Okay, so we're off now. Like we still got the same gap, which is exactly what I wanted. It's a little tiny bit close, but that's fine. That's perfect. That's good. All right, so this is gonna work fine then. It should work okay. I mean, it's the back is dropped maybe like a 64th of an inch, maybe. I mean, because that should be the thickness of a cutoff wheel through that shitty weld right there. So, I'm happy with that. That's fine by me. Yeah, man. Cool. So this is gonna help. We'll just leave this in here until we're done. I don't really care.
Hey,
Flat.
why do you call yourself OCD low?
Well, because I have OCD and I like low cars. I have low cars and I make low cars. You'll see. Yes, I'm very particular.
Yep. When he says OCD, he is not lying.
Yes. And the funniest part about it is the one that called me OCD the first time was you.
Was it?
Yeah.
Well, I guess some OCD problems,
Yeah.
man.
When we were at Week Fest 2017. Remember, he kept touching everybody's cars, and I was gonna fucking punch him in the kidney.
Yes, I do remember.
Yeah, and then we were looking at some stickers, and you were like, "Oh look, OCD clean. You should get that one because your car is so fucking clean all the time." And I was like, "I'll get that sticker," and I bought that sticker. And then
And then
when we made an Instagram or whatever, when you convinced me to make an Instagram for my car, I was like, "OCD clean? How about OCD low?"
This sounds so much better. OCD low.
OCD low now. Yeah, it didn't move that much, man. That's exciting.
what you need.
I'm just looking to see where my electric cutoff wheel went. I'm just thinking of what I want to do. Do I want to try to cut this with a saw or not? Tearing me apart.
You want me to hold it?
Yeah, it's getting pretty vibrating. Fuck!
that's
Is
a
it
nice
pinched in the
workout.
front? Is that pinched? Okay, cool. I just gotta go down the inside and that's it.
That's it. Gabbage. I guess I can take it off here.
Just want to make sure it didn't move too much. Yeah, that should be fine. We can work with that. One saw blade.
Where do you get this thing for? Where do you get Hey, by the looks of it, we'll be done in a couple hours.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah, look, I said, these things out of other things. It takes a day. It's only been a day. Yeah. Not even a day.
I haven't even broke a sweat.
I haven't even taken my sweatshirt off yet.
Be driving it by the end of the night.